Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2020. The given question is consider a database implemented using B plus tree for the file indexing and installed on a disk with the block size of 4 KB. Okay, so the total block size is I think we can directly convert it into numbers, right? So 4096. Okay, and they are saying the size of the search key is 12 bytes. Okay, and the size of the disk pointer is 8 bytes. Okay, so they are saying that this block sizes are 12 bytes and the address fields are 8 bytes. 8 8 8 8 12 12 12. Okay, and they are saying assume that the database has 1 million records. Okay, so it's over the limits, right? Okay, so it's having 1 million records. Also assume that no nodes of a B plus a tree and no records are present initially in the main memory. Consider that each record file into one disk block. Okay, the minimum number of disk blocks accessed required to retrieve any record in the database is. Okay, so to be clear, I think this question is a combination of two questions, right? Yes, so here indirectly we should first find how many are in each node, right? Yes, so to find that, let us assume this value as p, like how many children are there. So let us assume this as n or p, whatever you want, you can assume, or x. So assume that as x, so this becomes x minus 1. So it is 8x plus 12x minus 12 is equals to 4096. Okay, so it is nothing but 4096 plus 12 divided by 10. So it is approximately equal to, sorry, just give me a second, did I do any silly mistake here? Okay, so it's a 12p, right? Yes, so it is nothing but 4096 divided by 20. So it is nothing but 204.8. Okay, so now what will be the p value, guys? Sorry, what will be the p or x value? So it will be nothing but, okay, sorry, my bad, I think I did not add this 4096, right? 4096 plus 12 is equals to that much divided by 20. The answer will be 205.4. so the approximate value will be 205, right? Yes, so now we got how many children could be there, right? Yes, and they clearly told that there are 1 million records, right? And they are saying that they will perform indexing until the record will fit into one disk. Okay, so that's a quite complex thing, right? Yes, so whenever they are saying that they will continue until that time, I think the result should be equal to 1 million, right? So whenever we are having 205 records per block, indirectly I think we can multiply it continuously until we reach 205, right? Sorry, until we reach 1 million. Okay, so let us first write what is 1 million, guys. So once tens 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and 1 million. So I think it will be in this way, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. So now if we want to reach this, how many times we should multiply this to 205 indirectly? Okay, so 205 into 205. So I think it will not be enough. So into 205. Okay, so this might be enough, guys. So 5 to 1, 516. Oh my god, it's 8 times of million. Okay, so with 3 levels, I think we can do it. So to be clear, using the 3 levels, we can perform this particular indexing. And once you found the particular page number, to go to that page number, you need one additional one. So indirectly by using 4 levels or indirectly with the minimum disk access of 4, we can retrieve the whole data, right? Yes, so this question is a quite interesting question, and this is a combination of two concepts, right? Yes, so they included the concept of indexing as well as a B plus trees, a structural thing, right? Yes, so this is a quite interesting question, and I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? Yes, so now I think this is the last question with respect to DBMS. So in the next lecture we'll be starting theory of computation, guys. Okay, yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.